Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox kicked due to unexpected client behavior error code 268. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of three steps. The first step is to change the DNS. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select Properties. In here you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and in alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. This is Google's DNS guys. Just close it off here and let's move on to the second step. The second step is to reset the internet using CMD. To do this, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one and press enter. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close it off here. And the third step is to delete the temporary files. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window, you just need to type temp, T-E-M-P. Click on OK. In here, you just need to click on any folder over here and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all of these. Now right click on it and select delete it guys. Select do this for all current items and select skip. And after deleting it, close it off here. Now again go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. In run window you just need to type percentage temp percentage. Click on OK. In here you just need to click on any folder and press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all and right click on it and select delete it guys. Select do this for all current items and select skip. After finishing this, you just need to restart your PC and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to use a VPN. This solution worked for many people on Reddit. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download Proton VPN and download it. After getting download done, you just need to install it and select quick connect. After getting connected, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.